my name is Steve, the founder of Blur Festival. Blur is really coming together, so I thought it was time that I got back in front of the camera to give you an update. I created Blur to be the event I always wanted to attend, and we've been working hard for the past 3 years to ensure that we meet even my own expectations. During my career, I've attended many workshops and listened to endless lectures. However, I often found myself leaving disappointed and shortchanged. As event organisers, the team and myself feel that it's our responsibility to represent you, to make sure that you get great value for every dollar that you spend on your ticket. We've spoken with most of the industry, and the comment that we receive the most is everyone has been wanting this for a long time. Sometimes this was also followed by a question, which is why Brisbane? I always answer, why not? The Royal ICC and the RNA showgrounds is honestly the best location in the world for a photography festival like this. It provides so many shooting opportunities, and frankly I'm really surprised that the whole precinct around the RNA, including Rydges, King Street, is not used more often by photographers. Over the past 12 months, Southeast Queensland and Northern New South Wales has been attracting many creators from all over the world to come here and live. They love our climate, lifestyle. They always say to me, I'm only at home for 4 weeks a year. Why not spend some of the time at some of the world's best beaches? We chose Brisbane because it is the best place in the world for our first full-scale Blur Festival. Blur is a stills and photography event for beginners, enthusiasts, students, professionals, as well as people looking to understand photography and social media. We encourage everybody to bring their cameras and have fun, build their portfolios, learn new skills, even make new friends exploring our endless shooting booths. The photography industry has joined us, and Blur is sponsored by Fujifilm, Dragon Image, ProLab, and supported by Ted's Camera Store, Sony, Sky Jellyfish, Asada Makeup, and our media partners, the Austereo Network, hotel partner Rydges Hotel, plus our wine sponsor, Angrove Wines. I realise that the ticket prices seem a little high. However, we've packed so much into every ticket. To put things into perspective, you have the opportunity to listen to people like Jason Edwards from National Geographic, Jacques Esvaya from World Swimsuit, Norbert Knight from Vogue and Harbour's Bazaar, 3 Australian leading commercial photographers, 4 Australian Photographers of the Year, plus film, music and TV legends like Mark Toyer, Dan Grates and Tom Gleeson. And that's just a few of our superstars. Check out the website and you'll also see names like William Long, Vincent Gotti, Ian Golding, Lisa Sard, Laurie Sensini. The list is literally too long to mention all of our presenters. Now, what if those names don't mean anything to you? I would simply answer by saying we've invested countless hours to find the right people who not only know their craft, but can also pass across the things that you're looking to learn in a way that you can easily follow and understand. All of our presenters know their stuff, but they're also experienced speakers and teachers here for you in an ego-free, friendly environment to help you take better photos of your kids, of your grandkids, or capture the magic of your holiday, impress your friends with some cool and amazing art, even attract more people to your business through social media, or if you're a professional photographer, improve your services to your client. What is your experience going to be like at Blur? Firstly, I would recommend the 2-day ticket because it simply provides the best overall experience for those with a passion for photography. The way the event works is based on how I was taught to teach in a corporate setting. Firstly, you pass across the technical skills needed to perform a task, which is our lectures. Secondly, show how those new skills are used, which is our workshops. And finally, watch you use those skills, which is our shooting booths. I'm confident that this will help all of you walk away with a better understanding of photography, of your camera equipment, and really of your creativity. Blur's Photography Expo is bigger and better than anything you've ever seen, with all your favourite brands, latest tech. There's even a few surprises. Save money and pick up a bargain at Blur. See all the latest from Fujifilm, Dragon Image, ProLab Printing, Manfrotto, Laserlight, Sony, Nikon, Studio 19. We also have all of the companies represented through their Australian distributors like Adeel or CR Kennedy. And proud to say that we also have shooting booths set up there in the expo where you can test all the latest gear before you buy it. If you're looking for a new camera or any equipment, Blur Festival has got you covered. My favourite part of Blur is the shooting zones. In these areas you're able to shoot with smartphones, point and shoot cameras, DSLRs, mirrorless, even medium format and video. Our adrenaline zone will be a hit. We have a half pipe and some of Australia's world champions doing tricks. There's freestyle BMX riders, gymnasts, trampolines, and many more fun action things for you to shoot. Still outside, we also have cars, motorbikes, costumed actors, the Blur Plaza stage, and we also have our pop-up portrait sessions where you can work with natural and introduce light to take some awesome portraits. Moving inside, you'll find our general shooting booths covering so many types of photography. You check out the website, you'll see the list there. As I mentioned before, for me the best value for money is the 2-day ticket because it gains you access to our Guru shooting booth zone. Anyone can shoot in these booths and you can choose how much you want to push things. They're great fun for beginners, but you can also be a wonderful challenge for the experienced professional. Each of these booths are well over $1,000 to set up. Then you add in the actors and the models. I mean, it's a steal for $399. At Blur, we also love to party. And I've got a great team together, which is led by Liz Golding, who will push the limits on our evening's entertainment on both the Friday and Saturday night. Friday night is more of a formal affair with a tribute to photography in Australia. Desire is one of Australia's best fashion shows and has also some amazing entertainment. Saturday night is designed to celebrate our industry with up and coming, kick off your heels and rub shoulders with some superstars from the industry. Get your tickets now, check out the website and you'll see completely what's in the package there. Blur's Workshop Monday is a day for us to put away the camera and to get serious about your business or your photography. Build your skills, rise above your competitors, take your business to the next level. Running a business these days is complicated. And now with the added need to master social media, we all need to understand new ways of marketing our products. During the festival, we've taught you, even with smartphones, to get great shots. But if your customers don't see the products, what's the point? Join us as we break down the wall on social media, empower you with the skills to get started and understand and take control. This is the best value social media course that you'll attend this year. And it is led by proper advertising professionals, ad copywriters, and experts on how to understand your customers. Looking to understand editing, Adobe is running 2 workshops, one for stills and one for video. What better way to learn editing and post-production than from the people who make the program? Blur is a celebration for all creators and we've really left no one out. Are you a model? We have a masterclass run by JDW with, wait for it, all the way from the States, supermodel Donna Feldman. Love makeup? Then you're going to love our makeup artist to the stars, Martin Bray, giving his latest tips and techniques, supported by watch out for them because they're about to take the world by storm, Asada Makeup. If hair is your thing, don't miss out on our 90 minutes with, I can't mention their name just yet, but I promise you're going to love it, Styling Masterclass. Monday Masterclasses are followed by one of the biggest creative networking sessions. All of the agencies will be there, rub shoulders with photography superstars, and enjoy a drink as we wind down the festival. I realised that was a long one. However, I think that just about covers all of it. Tickets are on sale now through the website. I know Christmas has just hit us, but they're selling quickly, especially the masterclasses. Have a look at all of the tickets, go through them carefully. You can make a choice between single day, 2-day and 3-day tickets. There's also separate tickets for both of the fashion shows and also a page dedicated to our Monday masterclasses. If you have any questions, the contact number's on the website, so make sure you give us a call. Thanks very much for your time, and I promise that we've put a lot of work into the festival and that all of your expectations are going to be met. Photography really hasn't been any better than this. Can't wait to see you at Expo.